Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ladder Life Insurance Application Status Check easy tutorial step by step clearly. To check the status of your Ladder Life Insurance application, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Ladder website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the sign in page. Enter the email address you used during the application process in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your account details. Look for the section labeled Application Status or a similar option on the dashboard. Click on Application Status to see updates regarding your life insurance application. If your application is still under review, a message indicating that will appear. If additional information is needed, check for any prompts or notifications on the screen. For any discrepancies or concerns, use the customer support options provided. You can either send a message or utilize the live chat feature for immediate assistance. Once you've reviewed your application status, log out if you're using a public computer. Close the browser window for added security. Following these steps will help you easily check the status of your Ladder Life Insurance application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.